Hello everybody, once again in my channel Marketing Fundas. Today we are going to discuss about advertising decision. So advertising is very crucial decision in the business because the success or failure of the company depends upon how well they advertise, how well they aware the customer, and how well the company ensure their sales to maximize the profit. Advertising is one of the effective tool of promotion mix within a marketing mix. It is nothing but the presentation of ideas about goods and services. What are the goods? What are the features of the goods? And what are the different benefits the goods are having? So those benefits are disclosed in this advertising. Whatever message has been passed on to the customer, that message must be presented in a creative form. Then and then only the customer can recognize, then and then only the customer can act and do the act, and thus the company can become successful to maximize the profits by ensuring the large amount of sales. First of all, we are going to see definition. The definition says that first definition says that advertising is causing to know, to remember, to do. Advertising is nothing but the creative form to know or to remember in the minds of the customer. That's why it has been bombarded several times through different medias by the manufacturer. Second definition says that advertising is any form of paid non-personal presentation of ideas, goods or services for the purpose of inducing the people to buy. It is nothing but the paid activity where the presentation of ideas about goods and services is done in a creative form in order to induce the customer to buy their products. So from this definition we can conclude that advertising is nothing but a paid form of publicity. Advertising is never free. It requires some payment, so it requires some money, then only it can be done. Second, advertising is non-personal or indirect and delivered through media. Advertising is not personal. Advertising is always non-personal and indirect and delivered through a proper media. It enforces the customer to response. It enforces a kind of compulsion to customer and compulsion to the customer to respond. Next is it promotes the sale of the product. Ultimately advertising is nothing but a element of promotion mix. That's why it promotes the sale of the product. That's why advertising is carried out. Next is very important concept, advertising budget. First of all, budget is very important. Budget is an expression or plan in money against the future course of activities. Means you are trying to estimate, estimation of future expenses in advance is called as a budget. Proper allocation of budget is must to carry out the advertising activities smoothly. So budget, proper budget, enough sufficient budget is required to run the activities of marketing. Whenever the advertising budget is decided by the company, the several other factors the company has to take into consideration. Number 1, competitive situation. Number 2, economic status of an industry. Number 3, population and income distribution analysis. And number 4, mass psychology. First is competitive situation. According to the competitive situation, the company has to determine their budget. The competition level may be intense, it may be moderate, or it may be low. Accordingly, advertising budget can be properly adjusted. If the competition is high, the advertising budget needs to be raised. If the competition is low, in that case the advertising budget can be also reduced. So it depends upon the competitive situation, advertising budget varies. Second, economic status of an industry. Every industry is not financially sound. Some industries may be financially sound, so they can determine the higher amount of advertising budget as compared to the industries which are financially not that much of sound or financially weak, you can say that. So economic status of an industry can also affect the determination of advertising budget. Third one is population and income distribution analysis. Whenever the companies decide to advertise their product, they need to consider the population to whom they want to uh, whom they want to present their advertising. and whatever the income distribution they are having, in which income distribution or in which income area they lies, accordingly the advertising budget can be determined. So up to what level the company wants to reach, so for that purpose, if the company wants to reach to national level, accordingly their advertising budget will be high. If the company only wants to sustain in the local area, accordingly they are advertising, or accordingly they are determining their advertising budget. Fourth one is mass psychology. What is a mass psychology? Mass psychology means the common psychology of the customers, what they want, so what they needs, what they requires, how they can be attracted, what are their common segmentation areas. On that basis the company can advertise their product. There are what are their common interest, common needs, accordingly the companies are advertising their products. So this is how the advertising budget can be done.